Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to another amazing video tutorial. So in this video I'll walk you guys through step by step to how you can gain more followers on Audiomack. Like I will teach you guys exactly the simple methods you can get more followers on Audiomack. So I want you to pay attention to this video from beginning to the end so that you won't miss any step. Okay, so you see on Audiomack you have an option to create free account, and then those free accounts you can actually use any type of email to create them. All right, so that is creating accounts all by yourself to follow your account, and then there are other strategies, you understand. So let us start by the first method, which is to tap on create a free account. And then, so in case you're logged in on Audiomack, make sure you log out from your main account before doing this one. All right, so you can just type in anything and then put @ you see automatically it will generate Gmail for you, and then you click on next. So here it asks for 4 characters. Okay, password requirement 4 characters. So number 1 character is you must have 8 characters as a password. So let us start by putting those password. And then secondly, you must have 1 lowercase character, 1 digit and or symbol. Okay, and then let's make it 8. I think others has been filled. Okay, so after you have put in the password requirement, you click on next, and then here you're going to select your age. Okay, you can select your age. Let me just put something that I wish to put, and then click on next. And then now you got to choose your gender. Okay, you can also choose non-binary, it doesn't count, or you can just say prefer not to say. Okay, or you select your main gender. Okay, so I'll just click on non-binary. Okay, then I'll click on next. So here it asks the type of genres you like. You can just select any type of your own genre, just click on it and then tap on finish. All right, so once you have tapped on finish, it might show you something like this. Just go ahead and click here to cancel, and then the next thing you're going to do is to tap on the search tab and then click on the search box and then search for your name. All right, search for your Audiomack account name, and then it's going to open up your account. And then now you got to follow your account. You see, you can turn on push notifications if you want. Okay, so you follow your account, then you go back to my library, and then you click on this icon at the top, then you scroll down and then you click on logout. You click on logout, you click on create new account. Again, you see it has taken you back to a create new account tab. Then still don't do that, put any email, put any type of figure, tap @ it will show you email. You click on login, then you put password, you put the requirements password, and then you click on next. You choose your age. Okay, you click on next. Okay, you can just tap on anyone, or you can just say none of these depending on the type of thing you want to do. Okay, you can just click here and then still go back to the search tab and then search for your account. Okay, you search for your account, you follow. Okay, so let's click on my account to see if the followers were actually adding. Okay, you see it's added. All right, so that is, you can just spend your time doing this. All right, so another legit method I want to share with you is that you can just come over to discovery. It's this one is very important, because this one will give you real followers, a real audience. All right, so make sure you pay attention to this one. So when you want to get real followers on your Audiomack account, tap on discovery. All right, so now you have to click on the type of genre you want from here, or if you want all genres, you can just allow it to remain on the all tab and then scroll down. All right, when you scroll down from the bottom, you can see recently added. Okay, so what you need to do is to click on each songs. Okay, drop a very nice comment on these songs. Okay, all these recently added are upcoming artists just like you. Okay, so drop nice comments on their songs, and then they might also come to your account to follow you so that you can follow them back. All right, so another tip is that you should always comment on trending music. Some people come to follow accounts, and then when they see your comment, they come follow you, and then they will tell you to also follow them back. You understand what I mean? So there are several ways you can gain followers on Audiomack. So if you have gotten any tip from this video, help me to drop that in the comment section. And I want you to, don't forget to follow me on Audiomack, and then share my videos, like this video on YouTube, like, comment, share this video, and then peace out, guys.